wanted to make clear from the beginning in 1982 that what we were about was not some kind of mock trial, that indeed we were involved in a real trial, that what would distinguish this trial that we are holding from a trial that we are constantly faced with as a people, perhaps in a court here in Oakland, California, or perhaps in a court in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, or Tampa, Florida, or Houston, Texas, or in Manhattan, New York, what would distinguish this trial from a trial held by this government is the fact that this government has state power. That is to say, it has the capacity to enforce its will. It has a monopoly on armed violence. It has a monopoly on the capacity to coerce people and to carry out its will. It has state power. State power is manifested in a certain organized way. You can see it, the arms of the state. When you look at the police, look at the army, the navy, the courts, the prisons, etc., you're looking at an expression of state power. However, our condition as a people is one that exists because this state power has taken from us our state power, our power as a people. And when you look at African people here, and when you look at African people throughout the world, you're looking at people who are being victimized by another state power, by a power that has imposed itself on us against our will. So therefore, what distinguished us was the ability of the United States government, the city of Oakland, the state of California, if you will, to put in motion an army of forces to make sure that someone who has been served a parking ticket or charged with committing a homicide would end up either dead or end up before someone who has been determined by the class in power to make a determination of what will occur with them. It has nothing to do with whether one is right or wrong. It has to do with the possession of state power. Those who have the power makes the determination essentially of what is right and what is wrong. Hence, there has never been a time in this country while it was occurring that slavery was illegal. Slavery was legal. It was codified by law.